Problem 16. Kwang driving 15 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. How many additional miles must he drive at 50 miles per hour to average 50 miles per hour for the entire trip? So first of all, let's just model it out, right? This is all the distance he travels. Kwang drives 15 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. So this is 15 miles, right? And this is 30 miles per hour. How many additional miles must he drive at 50 miles per hour? So this is X number of miles. But then at 55 miles per hour to average a 50 mile per hour trip for the entirety. Well, to find the average, what are we trying to find here? How many additional miles? So to find the average distance, that's equal to the average velocity times the average time taken. So when we consider this question, the total distance that we want to consider traveling is 15 plus x, right? That's the total distance that he had to travel. But then this distance, right, must be equal to the average velocity of 50 miles per hour, right, because that's given to us. But what is the time? Well, the time here will be 15 times 30, right, plus x times 55. And the reason why we do this is because 15 miles, right, has the units of miles. When we multiply this by units of 30 miles per hour, or, oh, sorry, I did this wrong. It should be 1 hour per 30 miles, right? We have to flip over the velocity to get the miles and miles to cancel out to get some term in hours, right? So 15 over 30 hours. So, okay, so in other words, I did this wrong. That should not be the case. This should be 15 over 30, right, plus x over 55. Now, that's correct. So this expression must hold true, so we just need to solve for x and we should be good. So when we simplify this, that's 1 over 2, right? So if we simplify the right side, that's 25 plus 10 over 11x, which is equal to 15 plus x. So x minus 10 over 11x, right, must equal to 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. So that means 11 over 1. So 1 over 11, sorry, 1 over 11x must give you 10. So x must be equal to 10 times 11, which is equal to 110. So that should be your final answer. So your answer will be answer choice D.